filled up this morning. You can put that board over there by that tin and they move it every time somehow. This is their bathing thing. You wash it out every 2 to 3 days, and when they bathe, they flap their wings and they splash it out. It's not bad. After about the 4th day, it starts turning green, so you have to pretty much keep it cleaned out. Y'all can see these holes. These were rats had taken over. I think we finally got rid of all of them. And we'll get some hay to go back in our little house there. I cleaned all of this out the other day. But I hadn't done a full farm tour for y'all, so I figured I'd do it today. Show y'all what all we got. These are all Muscovy ducks, by the way. I'll show y'all what we got out here. Let's go see the lavenders and the simoneas. These are some ornery little turds. Look at them. They will bite you, peck you, back up. Why are you pecking me? These are chocolate Orpingtons. These are lavenders. And these are chocolate cuckoos. 2 of my Muscovies are over here in the pen with them because that's where they went the other day. These are Aeom simoneas, the black ones. This is my. Why are you pecking me? This is my rooster. I had 2, but one of them didn't make it. Something got him. Look at her, man. They're so mean. I gotta get out here with them more and get them calmed down. The lavenders are calm. These little things right here are rough. This is a standard IB. She is a pied, white-eyed pied. He is a solid white. He's dirty on top, so he won't be changing colors. This is a standard IB male. And I want to say she is to be honest with y'all, I'm not sure. A black, what do they say, a black shoulder? But she don't have black shoulders, so I don't understand how that works, but I'm not a peacock expert. I've only been doing them for about 2 years. See their poop piles in here. I don't know why they do that. They're too lazy to get off their pole up there and come use it out here. Now they got a bone in here somehow. I don't know how, unless it was something I had threw to the chickens and they reached through there and pulled it through here. But hey, why are you so upset today, buddy? He had shed, well, he didn't really shed his feathers. One of my buddies, when he moved, and grabbed it by his tail, pulled a bunch of his tail feathers out, and I think he did it on purpose, because he ended up taking them all with him. But it is what it is. He's coloring on out and looking pretty, though. He gets prettier every year. He'll be 3 years old this year, so she'll be 3. I believe he'll be 2. I think she'll be 2. And I ain't sure about this one. This one I swapped for some turkeys. Or a turkey. A turkey, 2 turkeys, I can't remember. They got their little hideout hut right there. Until we've been getting on top of it, mashing it down. Let's go check out the silkies and the turkeys. All this changed last week. You see how it's starting to turn. What's up, buddy? Pick out his hairdo. I don't like you grabbing this on us. She's hopefully she has too, but I think she's about 3 months along. Hey buddy. You got brown right at his tail. Hey, I'm eating on my shoe. You ever bumped your head? Messy turkeys. Here's my blue slates. My chocolate. Something happened to eat the only chocolate I had left. But I think I'm just gonna stick with raising blue slates, because since everything else is so hard to raise, besides the eastern wilds, I keep them 3 things of water out there. They go through so much, but it's been raining. So nasty looking. All this probably splashed up in. Splashed all over the side up for sure. What's up, Mama? This is my oldest hen. She's the one that was laying last year. She'll be laying this year. She'll be laying this year. This is gonna be another gobbler right here. You can see by his light cut her legs. So much darker her legs are than his. These are the silkies. And we got some creations in here. That was a creation of mine. With a silky and the black rooster that y'all seen earlier. Another pen. And this guy is just wild looking. He's part frizzle. Polish frizzle. He's a mix frizzle and silky. We had some more cool looking ones, but they didn't make it. I don't know what got a hold of them. It was almost like coccidia, but they wasn't on the ground. They was in a pen, so I don't understand, but it happens. These are Cheyennes. I bought these for her. She's been raising them ever since, but I'm going to create some more of these this coming year. What is it, buddy? But they're so cool looking. This is the other male, Lady Amherst. He is so skittish. I've had him since last year, and he hasn't calmed down any. Even put him in this smaller pen, he hasn't calmed down. So I may try to figure out something to do with him. If I get him in a bigger habitat, he'll calm down some. But anytime anybody gets close to the pen, this is what he does. These are the red goldens. We got 2 males in here and 3 females. I'm going to try to save a few more this year since I got a few more. My First Amendment finger there. Free speech finger always gets in the way. But yeah, I got to get in here and put in some brush in here and get it prettied up for them. Give them something to get under and hide, you know. Because they got this thing, but I don't know how them other things move bricks, but they do. Been there looking against the thing there. But I put bricks all around the outside here. Just keep anything from digging in. It's worked so far. I haven't lost anything in here. Knock on wood. Yeah, I'm gonna put some more logs and stuff in here. I just ain't had time. I like to have stuff to crawl on. Now, I'm afraid the 2 males will fight. I'm gonna have to move that male on the right there that's coloring out of here. And we still mess with that Lady Amherst because he is just, outrageous. See how far away I am from him? He's still acting up. Anyway, let's go look at the mandarins. So these are the mandarins. This is 3rd day. You can see how dirty it is. You can tell that's been, but you can't tell that because they're in and out of it constantly. Little turds. These are nesting box from last year. There's still feathers and stuff in it. But let's see. This is Mama right here. that one on the other side over there, I believe, is the daddy. I don't know, they're marked with zip ties. The oldest ones are. Now these, before I put new ones in here next year, I'll have to mark these with a different color zip tie. That way I can keep up with their ages and know what's what. But yeah, today will be a clean out day again. Every few days you have to do it. So I'm actually thinking about building them a pond and putting a filter in it. That way I won't have to keep cleaning it out, you know. I think this is actually the day 4 on this. I think I did it Friday, I believe. Thursday or Friday, maybe been Saturday. It was right around the weekend, right before it was a weekend starter. But I had my Lady Amherst pheasant over here on this side, and when I come back, I just open it up for all the mandarins so they'd have more room, since there's more of them. They're not real bad skittish, but as you can see, they'll walk away. But the more you're out here around them, the calmer they get. Anyway, that's all the animals we have here at the moment. Who knows what I'll bring in next year. We've sold off a bunch of stuff when they started laying off in the laying season. We got rid of a bunch of stuff because we didn't need it. You know, you go through every year and you figure out what you need, what you want to use to make money off of next year and all. These little suckers right here, their eggs, 6 eggs are run over $100. Anyway, they only lay about 10 eggs a year, so that's why they're so high. So I'll get probably 40 eggs this year. We'll probably hatch and keep 10 of them, maybe 12, maybe 15. The rest of them we'll probably sell. I want to have about 20 hens. Actually, no, probably don't need it. Probably about 10 hens, about 10 males, because they pair up every year. And they'll stick with that mate. Anyway, that's everything. Y'all have a good one.